So guys, I'll be depositing my options account. So let's see how it plays out. I'll be taking one trade and I'll be telling you the reason why I took that trade, and let's see how it's gonna go. Don't forget, candlestick is the foundation of options. So you have to go back to your roots. How do I look, guys? All right. Without wasting time, let's get in. Okay. What are we looking at? I'm going to show you one of the candlestick pattern I really pay attention to, and I like it so much because whenever this occurs, I tend to take a buy or a sell in the market. So I'm just going to show you right now. I'll be going into my chart to show you. So right here I have the evening star. So I think if you actually skip the candlestick class, I think right now you have to go back to the root. Hey, surprised, don't be. So let's look at this. The evening star is made up of what? Three candlestick. So we have the first candlestick, which is a bullish candle. The second one a doji, and the third one is a bearish engulfing candlestick that closed midpoint of the first candlestick. You see, I have this off heart, so I don't need to read it from somewhere because I didn't skip my foundational class. So this is gonna catch up on some of you. So right here, what I'm looking forward is after the formation of the evening star, I want to see the next candle, whether price is going to close below or close above my evening star. If price closes below my evening star, I'm going to take the next candle sell. And if price closes above the evening star, I'm going to take the next candle buy. And this is what fractal. Price is fractal, which means it works on 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30. I don't know. I don't really like using 1 minute time frame because price moves so fast and I don't really like it. It might actually work. I've not really gone back there to do the back testing, but then 5 minutes above works for me. You get it? I really like using 5 minutes and above. So just like you can see here, so what are the things I'm paying? One of the things I'm paying attention to is what this is what the first candlestick. This is our doji candlestick, and this is what the third candlestick, which close midpoint. So now I have an evening star here and price didn't close. This is the low and this is the opening of the candlestick. Here is the close. So this close closed above the opening of this candlestick. I want to take this candlestick back. So if we took this trade, definitely we should be winning this trade. Now, conversely, we have the evening star here that gave rise to what? A selling candle. Right here we have this first candlestick, a doji candlestick, and we had what? A very good bearish candlestick. Not just closing midpoint, it closed almost as a tweezers. It closed almost at the same point of the opening of the first candlestick. So here my eyes is open, my antenna is open to see what happens next on the next candlestick. Yeah, exactly. So the next thing that happens is what? Price closes, the next candle closes below this evening star, and I want to sell on the third candlestick. This pattern I use to trade options. You might actually adopt this and backtest this. I'm not going to say it's 100% accurate, but then you keep doing your $1, keep doing your wonder with these patterns. Seriously, out of 10, 7 is right and is a win. I'm telling you guys. The morning star also does the same thing. But for this video, I'm just going to give you this one while I go on my real account with this $1 to show you how you're going to take trades on this when I can. So guys, stay tuned.